Hey, this is Mr. Ward, and welcome to PreAlgebra Exit Ticket 29.2 and the video key. And here we have this object that's been transformed to here and then transformed to here, prime and then double prime. So what's been described as quadrilateral ABCD has been reflected over line M. So this is line M, and it's a pretty good reflection. That's a reflection across this line. Then the image is reflected over line L to create A double prime, B double prime, C double prime, D double prime. Okay, and lines L and M intersect at a 45-degree angle at point M. Okay, so let's consider what one other transformation, what is one other transformation that would map ABCD directly onto A double prime, B double prime, C double prime, D double prime. So it's just one transformation instead of two. This is two reflections. We want to go one step. Okay, so could we rotate it 90 degrees about the point E? Or could we reflect it over a line that's halfway between lines L and M? Could we translate it 3 units up and 1 unit left? Or, sorry, 3 units left and up 1 unit. Could we dilate it? Okay, so let's consider these. Dilation is out because we didn't change sizes at all. Translating, well, translating would keep it in this orientation. It would slide it, but it would keep it in that orientation. Reflecting it across a line here would mean that B would be on the opposite side over here. B would become B prime over here, and that didn't happen either. So by process of elimination, we're pretty sure it's rotation. But let's consider that rotation. So if we are using this point here as our center of rotation, we're over 2 and up 1 from here. Now we're up 2 and left 1. Let's consider this point. Over 4 and up 1, up 4 and left 1. Okay, let's consider C. Over 4 and up 2, up 4 and left 2. So all of these are matching up very nicely with a 90-degree rotation. Now we'll check D. Over 3, up 2, up 3, left 2. So notice that the 3 here turned into a Y from an X to a Y. The up 2 became a left 2, which is negative. So from positive to negative, and that's a horizontal, so that's X. So the Y's and the X's swapped position. So if E was the origin, we related to this the origin, A is going to be at 2, 1, but A double prime is at negative 1, 2. So we swapped 2 and 1. 2, 1 became 1, 2, but then the one that is now in the X position changed sign, and that is a classic 90 degrees counterclockwise rotation. We didn't say which way it was here. It's 90-degree rotation. It is, of course, counterclockwise. So our answer ends up being A, because I can do it like this, because all of the points swapped X and Y, and the new X changed signs. Classic sign of a 90-degree, scroll down a little bit, degree rotation counterclockwise. All right, I hope that was helpful, and I will go ahead and stop.